lapho umqondo wakho sewurayisa. It is similar to a car with no brakes. How do you stop the car that doesn't have brakes? It goes on and on and on and on forever. Someone can even take his or her life because of that. Hayibo yazi lona bengimthanda. Hayibo wazohlala ngami. Sho sonke lesi sikhathi bengimosha isikhathi sami. Hayibo imali yami engaka. Kodwa uzomthola umunye. We ufunda umuntu omusha. Engabe sengishadile. Ekube ngavuma loyana. Hayibo bazothina abantu basazongibuza ngayo. It goes on and on and on and on. How do you break the car that has no brakes? I want to teach you something today that I've realized. Khathini eyiningi you can meditate anyhow with anything. You know, meditation is what enables you to put the brakes on your mind, because you train yourself not to be entangled with the content that your mind populates. You just watch and see the game playing and say, no, I'm not part of that game, because imicabango yakho is fueled by your attention. If you suffocate them attention, they are no longer there. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelela changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. You know, konke engayirealize la and kade ngenza njengamanje ngase ngithi let me share this with you. I was busy with some activity here that requires more and immense and extreme mental focus, yabo, to the point yokuthi you end up having an internal dialogue ukuthi what next is going to happen here. You analyze things, and then you think it's gonna go there, and then you see it requires more mental. It's like a mental game. So ngavele ngabona ukuthi no man, there's too much clutter in my head. Yabo, there's too much clutter now in my head. So how to put the brake, because there are thoughts after thoughts. Ngase ngithi okay, let me watch this digital watch ticking. Yabo, buka nje i-numbers zibala nje, like ziyabala i-numbers ziyabala. I'm just watching. Ang-assign any meaning ukuthi ukuhamba kwesikhathi lokho kusho ukuthini, ukuhamba kwani lokho kusho. I'm just watching it. I'm just watching nje the numbers, yabo, like 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm not even counting like 20, 21, 22. I'm not even counting. I'm just watching the numbers change in front of me. Yabo, from 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just observing. I'm not putting any meaning ukuthi it is the time that is moving, what is going to happen next. No, I'm just like njengesidumbu nje. I'm just watching like this. Yabo, I don't have any meaning attached to what is happening right here. I'm just observing, nothing. And by the time I'm doing that, my mind started to settle down, and I felt that sense of peace and happiness, because what I was doing came with anxiety of what might happen, like, you know, people who know the charts, the forex charts, when you're analyzing, there's too much happening in your head. And then when I was looking at those numbers, counting like from, in fact, I was looking at the time that was counting backward from 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, but it was time that was like moving, but in an inverted or a reversed manner. God, I'm not saying this is time, I'm not saying this is 20, this is 30. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just watching the numbers going down. Simple. Yeah, kwase kuba khona lo mental space. So yonke into lapho, yabo, ekade ngicabanga, just goes away. Yabo? Then sekuna that mental space for me where I can find peace and happiness by watching this. That's one thing, to put the brake on your mind. Yabo? And that's a sense of what? Sight. Yabo? But in the same token, you can put your attention, because my attention was on those numbers, not assigning any meaning. At the same time, you can use your ears. If you don't want to do that, you want to use the ears, you can do that as well. Because the catch here is to put your attention to that one thing for an extended period of time without you judging it, just watching it or listening to it. Okay, now we are talking about ears, maybe you just listen to the sounds. Whether you put your attention to one sound that is around you, or you just make a spatial attention. If I talk about the spatial attention, you'll just you'll have that wide focus or wide like hearing any sound that is around, not putting your attention on one thing. If you get what I mean. Yabo, uma ulalela ke uyakwazi ukulalela like across, like a spatial listening. Then you are able to put your attention there for an extended period of time. That thought will come to steal that attention, but you know, Uti, no, you won't allow that to happen by doing what? Okay, you are not forcing yourself, you just put your attention back there. If you are listening to ukuduma kwe-fridge noma ukuthika kwewashi, yabo ukuthi you are putting your attention on that one thing for an extended period of time, things will settle, and then you will force yourself, because you need to train yourself to do that, because you develop a mental muscles to do that. You need to practice to do that every time. Yabo. So every time your mind try to consume you and try to play games with you, you just do that. Your mind doesn't want you to do that. It will be like, no, don't do that. Figure this thing out first. Yabo. And it's about that's a sense of hearing. Yabo. Kube khona that sense of touch. Uyakwazi ukuthatha i-attention mhlambe uyibeke mhlambe engubeni zakho zikuthintile. You take the whole attention uyibeke engubeni zakho. Yabo. Engubeni zakho zikuthintile vela ngithi. Then you put the attention there. It either you can put it on one place, because we have what we call a convergence and a divergence focus. If you use a divergent focus, it means you are going to put the attention throughout in your body. But a convergence, it means you are going to focus on one part, maybe here, wherever. You see, but you put it there. Attention, you put it there. That's how you put the brakes, on your mind. That's a sense of what? Of touch, ne? You can also, okay, this one is more common, we used to talk about it, putting the attention on your breath. Still is the sense of touch, because you just feel that sensation of the air coming into your nostrils, you see. At the same time, there's what a sense of, you can put any sense can do the work. Any sense can do the work. The catch is to place the attention there vigorously and for an extended period of time. Because I say it vigorously because your mind will not allow you to put the attention there for that extended period of time. It will do some tricks. It will play tricks and game with you, because ungakuvumela nomqondo wakho ukuthi wena uthi uzama ukufigure out something, and then all of a sudden you realize, no, I'm overthinking right now. Do you think umqondo wakho uzokuyekela yini ukuthi no, I'm taking my attention off this to something else? No, no, if you know you can get this, if you can, can you call someone, can you Google, can you uzofuna ukuthi usebenze, because umsebenzi wawo vele is to think anyway, but that thinking sometimes harm you, because you don't know when to put the brake, and sometimes you are not even present in your environment.